If you're interested in the Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge dining, you have bomas, excellent for breakfast, good for dinner. It is a family buffet with African flares. This one we've never experienced. Just let y'all read through that. There. And then the last one. This is a quick service restaurant, open morning and night. We have indoor and poolside service. It just says please call 401-7-WDW Dining to make your reservations for table service restaurants. So we're going to head into the gift shop, guys. Start off with a little bit of African flair in the giraffes. Cute little elephants down there. African flair dining wear. Some pictures for drinks. I'm not going to go through all the pricing in this store, guys. Right here, cute little Mickey safari hat. Cute little safari style purses. They're $13.95. Cute little safari Mickeys. Little Zambo, look at him. Down through the stuffed animals. And here's the deal. Plush babies in a blanket. So the ones in a blanket that you see here are 1 for $25 or 2 for $19. No, $39.99. Not a bad price. Here is Mickey. No, this one. Nope. Safari. Let's see if I can find a price for y'all on him. It's $26.95. Zumba. Cute little Mickey jacket. It's $34.95. Around the Disney bags. It's a pretty Disney shirt. You can come into Animal Kingdom and get the safari ears. Different prices for the headbands. So amethysts are $19.99 and then $24.99. So they have different ones for you to choose from. Okay. Nice little photo frame here. Safari style Mickey ear ornaments. Yes, this is the gift shop inside Animal Kingdom Lodge. Jambo Lodge, I should say. Very nice artwork in here.
See this around the fire pit?
Over here to some of the Minnie Mouse merchandise. There's a cute little Minnie Mouse shirt. Very cute. It retails for, let's see, focus, there we go. And then you have this cute one right here with a little patchwork of Minnie. And this one, let's see if we can get it in focus. For $2.95. Very cute. This one's adorable too. And this one retails for $36.95. There we go. All the different Minnie Mouse hats. Coral, $21.95. Sage, $24.99.
No, I like this gift shop for guys.
Let's see. I'll let you know if I buy it or not, guys. Not revealing that just yet. Minnie Mouse merchandise. So I tried it on. Doesn't that look cute, guys? It's adorable. It's got a little hoodie in the back. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I like it. And then it's got the little polka dotted wrists. I love it. Well, you have to wait for my shopping haul. I don't know what I'm uploading first. But yep, I like this. So they have different car decals, guys. Your car, if you like. I'm right over here. There's Mickey. There's a Minnie Mouse air freshener. And then here is like a really thick decal. Right there. This one says that once it's on there, so you better make sure wherever you're gonna put this sucker. It's pretty thick. These are cute though. Minnie Mouse ears are cute. Yep, those are things for the automobile. Look at the cute little Pooh. Very adorable. And the Minnie. And the Mickey. And these guys retail for, if I can find a price. Oh, here they are. Plush blanket babies, or plush babies in the blanket. One for $25 or two for $39. Cute. Little Minnie. There she is. Mickey.
I just got the buses.
Guys, we are making our way back to the buses. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo Lodge, I should say. Jambo? It was a good little tour.
I was telling the guy, this is where I got my hat. I said, this is the one store I like. Is this one. There's a lot of stuff for guys. You can get a whole safari outfit.
You got your hat here, or you got that in Animal Kingdom?
No, I got it here. This is Animal Kingdom.
No, Animal Kingdom Park.
No, I got it here at the resort.
Okay, I couldn't remember.
And they had other hats, but I didn't want to get one.
Yeah.
The guy goes, I remember that hat. It's like the best one ever. I said, yeah. I said, yeah, for the price.
Your safari hat.
It was $22.
That was a good price.
Yeah, because it's usually these run 102. That's why I grabbed it.
Yeah. Off to the buses we go.
Is someone in need of magic?
Oh gosh, it's the fairy godmother.